Hi, I'm Wayne Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how to make Cornish game hens with rosemary, garlic, and capers. You're going to start off with Cornish game hens, pat them dry with a paper towel. You're going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper on the inside. Fill each one with rosemary, a lemon slice, and a little bit of butter. Season them on the outside with salt, pepper, and a little paprika, and then add some shallots and garlic to the pan, and then place them in the oven at about 450 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you're going to mix 1/4 cup of white wine with 1/2 cup of chicken stock and about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix that thoroughly. Pour that on top of the chickens in the oven. Lower the temperature to 350 degrees and then roast for an additional 20 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Once you remove them from the oven, you'll transfer the hens to a platter and then strain all the juices into a saucepan. Reduce that down for about 3 to 5 minutes and then add 3 tablespoons of butter, whisk in thoroughly, and then add about 2 teaspoons of capers. Pour a little of the sauce on top and you're good to go. This is served with farro. To prepare the farro, you'll put 2 cups of chicken stock in a pan. You'll add 1 tablespoon of butter, bring it to a boil, and then you will add 1 cup of farro along with 6 ounces of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Bring it down to a simmer for about 25 minutes until the moisture is gone. At the same time, you're going to saute about 8 ounces of mushrooms in butter and olive oil. Once the farro is complete, you'll add the mushrooms to the mixture, toss it to combine, and then add a little bit of shaved Parmigiano on top. And that's my Cornish game hens with rosemary, garlic, and capers using Alessi farro and sun-dried tomatoes. For more information for the full recipe, go to windycitylive.com.